is the mountain tree shrew, an animal found only in Borneo. Every morning the tree shrew visits its neighborhood pitchers. It depends on the sugary solution that exudes from hairs on the pitcher's lid. When he's licked this lid dry, he'll move to another. And then another. Eventually, all that sugar can have only one result. Fertilizer for the plant.